Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Bluetooth problem on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then just scroll like this. Here you have to click this additional setting. After that, here again you have to scroll, click on backup and resets. Then here is you can see this one is the backup apps, data, Wi-Fi, password and often settings. Okay, so if you want to backup, if you want to solve the Bluetooth problem, you just click on this icon like this, and here the Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, you can solve it like this. Okay, see, app, data, mobile, passwords and settings. Here it has written everything. Okay, here is the backup and restore, so it's nothing. Just click on this icon like this. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.